What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2011 BMW X5 here. We're gonna replace the front strut. Let me show you the strut that we have here. So the strut here, it is, this is what it looked like. Let's take a look at the brand. Okay, if you guys want to find this right here, FCS Auto. Let me hold my camera properly. So part number, FCS Auto, part number, where the hell is the part number? There you go. Okay, there's the part number. So this is what this baby looked like. Okay, it's pretty much, okay, it has a nice strut mount to it. So this is what this baby's gonna look like right here. So if you guys got a BMW X5, you're hearing a noise, check that out. That strut is completely broken in there. Right in there. Camera had to turn off at the right moment. So I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna guide you guys through the whole thing. So it's very important to play safe. Okay, so first of all, okay, this linkage looks shot, so you need to take this off. You're probably gonna have to hold this with the vice grip here, and also I would replace this one right now. We're gonna do that too. This is shot. We're gonna take this off, but this is gonna try to lob this way. On the opposite side, you're gonna have a sensor on this. Okay, so you're gonna have to take that off on the driver's side. So this needs to come off regardless, because this suspension will not come on down. We're gonna support it with the floor jack. We're gonna remove this ABS cable. Oh no, this is, yeah, the ABS cable here. We're gonna just disconnect it, because when this come forward, you don't want to stretch nothing. We're gonna take this out from right here, so this, we don't stretch this. We're gonna take off this bolt right here. We're also gonna take off this big bolt here with the nut on the opposite side. Once everything is off, we're gonna go under the hood, and we're gonna remove everything under the hood. So let me get everything off first. You don't need to see the whole thing, so pretty much I'll walk you through the tools once we are ready to show that. Okay, so what we did here so far is we kind of just got this out of the box. I did not eliminate the connection here. It was rough to get it out of there, so I just left it alone. I did take off the bolt and everything. This comes out of that little bracket of this right here. So the bolt is that little fork right there. I had to kind of put a pry bar right here to push it down, and I was able to get it out without removing this. So I don't think I need to remove this, and I should be able to just slip this strut out of here. I'm gonna try to disconnect this. It's kind of, don't want it come out, but I'll get it out for the safety, for the heck of it, to be on the safe side. So all I got is a few bolts on the top, the cowl and everything, the plastic pieces on the top, and this thing should just come out once it's completed. So that's all I took out. The linkage, you gotta take it off. Either take off this, because the linkage, the bolt won't come out unless you drop this or you remove both sides. Okay, I did have to heat up this side to get it off, but I got the sway bar linkage sitting over there, which is broken. We gotta replace it anyway. So making good progress here. So under the hood, you're gonna have to take off this cover right here, which has like a 12 or 13 millimeter. You just turn them, and then you're gonna come across this box here. It's gonna have a small little connector sensor right here. Just take that, and then you're gonna have same thing. You're gonna use this long extension. You're gonna reach in there. These 12 or 13 millimeter looking screws, which they just clip on in there. And then you're gonna have this cover right here, which is gonna have 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolts, 4 bolts. There's gonna be 2 shiny one and 2 black labeled bolts. And then you could take off that little torque here, but no need to. You're right here. You got 1, 2, and 3, and the strut should drop. The strut is completely broken. I would just be careful so nothing hits you in the face. Like you can see, it's kind of broken right there. It's pretty much done deal here. Anyways, once I have it all done and back in, I'm gonna show you. It should be simple to get it in and out. So there it is. We're pretty much done here, guys. So I never took this off. I was able to slip and slide this to the side. I did have to kind of yank this down and up, so the base, the strut right here, the mount base right here, the mount right there can slip through it. You do have more clearance here, but I made a mistake. I tried to get it out from this portion, but if you try to get it out of this portion, remove these plastics if you want, these little 2 things, get it out of the way. This kind of bothered me right here. Anyways, got everything locked up. This bolt is locked up. This is in, the sensor's in. We got the bottom fork bolt in and the nut in, nice and tight. All I got is sway bar linkage, and then from the top I gotta close everything up, and then we're all done. Bada bing, bada boom. All right guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video. On the opposite side, you're gonna have this little sensor right here. Okay, and look at the wiring here. Nothing we could do. I'll clean that up for them. You know, they're spending money here.